This is music video number 2. Ashley is here. She flew out just to be with me for this moment, which is amazing. So we're gonna do tennis court scene and a beautiful vintage Porsche, which I'm so freaking stoked about. So we're just getting ready. We're actually making it on time, which we did not think we were going to.
That is very surprising.
We're very excited. We're gonna film with my beautiful friend Vanessa, and it's gonna be so sick. The song is called Pursuing Happiness, and let's go. What do you have to say?
Pursue the happiness. Yeah.
Yeah. So we just finished up on the tennis courts. We got amazing Ashley and amazing Vanessa. Came in clutch. She literally looked the part. She sadly was not in any of the shots, but she looked so cute the whole time. So we felt like she was a part of us.
Okay, good.
Let's go.
Hey, let's go.
We're on to the next shot, which is a vintage car. Sorry.
You are, but just back up. Sure. I'm just gonna get a shot of you rolling up here and stopping. So basically what you did, but we're just gonna get it on camera.
We got the Porsche. It's good vibes. There's so many people right now.
Okay, perfect. Right. I want to get a shot of you going up. So I think it'd be cute if you did some. Should I do like a little spin or something? Yeah, maybe like walk and then. Yeah, like that. And then I'm just gonna run. All right, perfect. All right, I'm good. And I'll get a shot of you just like walking up, and then I'll stop it, get another shot of you throwing. Okay. You want me to not throw then, or just throw? Just walk up to it first. No throw. Okay. And action. Cute. Your outfit looks so good. All right, girls, give her someone to smile to.
Let's go, Ruby!
Engage that core.
Yeah, let's go!
Whenever you're ready.
My personal trainer coming out.
One leg. Get the backward push-ups.
Oh shit, they're going. So tell us, how do you feel after that crazy move?
Honestly, I feel pretty good about myself. There was a lot of time and effort that went into doing that position, and I'm just really glad that we could I'm really glad we could execute.
I think you worked so hard on that move. You should work on your speaking next time. Pearl, tell us, how is it to coach this fine lady?
Oh, she just did fantastic, especially her hips up high like that. Squeezing those glutes, you were killing it. I just love her positioning. Her form was perfect. And the training has really paid off, I think. I highly recommend her for all your needs.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ruby, tell us, how was your experience doing this crazy one-of-a-kind move?
I
Never
was
been
so
done before.
scared of hitting her, but I think I did good. I am proud of my work today.
You killed this.
Thank you.
Filming my music video. It's so much fun. Pearl's creeping on me.
Girls being girls. The girls showing up to support my music out here. You're the best.
I just wrapped the shoot for my new song, Pursuing Happiness, and guys, it was so fun. My friends came out to film with me, and they were just the kindest and so much fun, and it looks really, really good. It's a freaking dream come true, and my friend Vanessa filmed it so beautifully. Check